good day to you all. It's great pleasure to see you through this video and my best wishes to you. We all join through this channel, sharing good thoughts to create positive society. No poison can kill positive thinker and no medicine can cure negative thinker. Please like this channel and please share and comment which can improve this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Welcome. Let us see today's video clip. Today we are going to see one of the important lessons for our life. Please watch full entire video, then you will know, understand what is need to do that. Whatever you want to start, any activities, any actions, you need to think, you need to consider 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? First 2 advice, after that 2 advice. This 4 advice is very important before you start any action. If you consider this 2 plus 2 advice before of any action, you won't be lost. You will be more successful person in your life. What are the 2 plus 2? If I tell continuously, you will be forget. I'm going to explain very beautiful incident. So this incident, once you hear, this 2 plus 2 also hiding inside the story. Can we see the story now? One big company, lot of people is working in the company. Many departments. There is one department, around 50 years old, well experienced person working in that department. He is a senior trainer. Whoever comes the new person, they will assign under this trainer to learn all the things. He's having a good respect among all the staffs. Now they need more employees, so they recruit more people. Our hero also joined this company. So everyone they put department sequentially that our hero joined in that department under the 50 years old senior trainer. This guy having really sincere for his job and he wanted to improve in his life. That is the motivation already he is having. So he go to the senior trainer to take the training. Under him, he learned the machines operations very well. Almost 1 year has gone. Now that guy asked the trainer, I know you have a lot of experience. Can you give me some advice? I want to improve in my life. Then the trainer give 2 advice. The first one, whatever you do, you have to be involved wholehearted in that. Don't do anything halfway. You have to be focused, concentration, entire in your heart through the activities. That's the first one. Second one, try to learn everything. Don't fix boundary for your learning. Learning is limitless. So you learn everything. For example, you learn this machine, assign you. Don't learn only this machine. Everything, entire, the whole department machines. If possible, the next department also possible. If you can learn. Don't stop yourself. And don't say, this is my job, that's it only. No. Try to do that all the job also. That's the way he give the best 2 advice to the hero. The hero understood everything. Then he tried to update himself to learn one by one. Among all the department works he knows. Now 10 years has gone. The senior trainer has retired from his job. So every staff has appreciated about his work because he is very efficient and well respected among all the staffs. Then the hero also go and talk to him. Once you resign, I'm very happy you are going to be take rest, but I feel something sad because you are the one motivate me always. The way he thinks. He said, no, you learn everything already. Okay. Then the senior trainer go home to take rest. After 3 months, the hero, the guy, went to the senior trainer house to see him. How are you? How is your days? How these 3 months has been gone? All these things he is asking. Then the senior trainer, he thought, I'm very good, everything good. But he has noticed that guy, something he has empty in his heart. not so happy. He found it. Then he asked the guy, what is going on? Are you happy to work? Then the guy replied that, no. Why? What happened? Through your instructions, I love my job so sincerely. Focus on my job. Second thing, you asked me to learn everything. I learned everything. But still my position is same. I never get any improvements on my salary, my designation. But who is unexperienced and younger than me, they come few years, they get the designation, promotion more than me. I'm very upset on that. I couldn't digest on that. Then the senior trainer was thinking so deep. Then he replied that, okay, now I'm going to give you 2 more advice. The first advice, you should apply leave one day, take rest. I see you are very tired, just take leave, take good rest. Then the guy was very confused. I want to be improve my life. I want to get promotion, but he asked me to take leave to take rest. What's that? But he believed my senior trainer said means something have a meaningful. Then immediately he never think anything. He left from the senior trainer house. Actually the senior trainer called him to stop, want to explain the second advice, but he never listened. He just left. The next day he went to the office. He wanted to try what the senior trainer advised him. Immediately he wanted to try. He applied the leave. One day he take rest. The next day he came. Then the people say this machine not working. He stopped. Okay, just 50 minutes he has rectified the mistake of the machine. Then other machine also is not working. No one knows how to rectify the error. It's a very simple that finish. Then all are very happy. He sit his place. The branch manager came to visit the guy. He come to my room. Then the guy don't understand, but just follow him. Once he go to his room, he give one envelope. The cover he open, see, you are promoted head of this department. He couldn't recognize. He was so happy. He want to fly. Your salary is increased $1,000 per month now onwards. You see, people getting $50, $100, but $1,000, he couldn't understand. Then he thanks to the senior trainer. Then the next week, he want to share something, but people cannot recognize. He very upset, take 1 day leave. Then he come back because he wants to show the importance of this presence to this company. So whenever he want to show off something, he just take leave. 3 months later, he come to the office as per normal in the morning, 7 a.m. The security guard stopped him. Sir, please don't go inside. Why? You have some letter from the HR department. See, you are terminated. Really, the guy couldn't understand why it was happened. Immediately, he think about his senior trainer. He brought the letter. He went to his house, show the letter. Why the company terminated me? What's the reason beyond that? Then the senior trainer listened everything, very calm and quiet and cool. He said that, I want to tell you 2 advice, but you never listen the second advice. Can I ask you something? In your bedroom, there is a light. Every day, you come, night time you on, the light is on, you don't bother or don't think about light because it's doing its job. One day the light is not working. You are in the dark in your room. Then you realize how important this light. Then you climb up, what was happened, the bulb you take out, you clean, and the cover you clean, the connection okay or not, everything put back is okay. You spend nearly 30 minutes to take care of everything. Imagine 1 week, 3 times, 1 month, 10 times happen again and again. The bulb is fused, never on. What you are going to do? You spend every time 30 minutes or just throw the bulb, replace the new bulb. What you will do? Then the guy realized what he has done a mistake. Now I'm going to share the next two advice from this story. The first one, whatever you want to do, people share or you want to learn something, to operate anything, you must study full. You must listen full before you proceed. Don't read halfway. Don't hear the instruction halfway to start the work. This is the first thing. The senior trainer wanted to give two valuable advice, but he listened only one. Just take apply leave. That is the secret of his promotion. He was thinking in the wrong way. That's why he terminated his job, because he never listened the second advice. The second advice, whoever tell you to do anything, before that you think about the pro and cons, good and bad. What are the reaction will be happen? If I do this action, what will be happen? Is it good or bad? Don't just start, people tell you something, just start halfway, ayo, this thing happened, then everything stop, it will be bad for you. So before you start, you need to be think, self-check, self-test, whether if I do this way, the result will be good for me or not. So whoever tell you, don't just start. Think about yourself. These are the two lessons he learned. Please don't quit or don't stop this video. I'm going to share again, summarize 2 plus 2, which is you can memorize. The first one is put your efforts wholehearted, focus fully. Second advice, don't put boundary for your learning. Learn as much you can. Don't say this is my job, that is not my job. No, all the job you carry on. Third one, listen or read fully before starts. Don't halfway listen and start the thing. Fourth one, whoever asks you to do something, don't just do it. You have to be self-check. What is the consequences will be happen if I do this one? You have to be think. You see, if the guy thinking that way, the fourth one, he never take leave only. If I do this, I can get the promotion. No, first time it works, but not all the times. So whatever it is, whoever it is, they tell you to do something, think about yourself. So 2 plus 2, this 4 advice is really very useful for you. Before you start any action, think about it, this 4. Then you do it, you will be getting successful definitely. Hope this is very useful for your life lessons. Hope to see you in my next video. See you, bye.